Are you thinking about using the Memrise app to learn a new language but not sure if it's actually worth your time? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to use the Memrise app. We will explore the features, user interface, learning style, and we will also give our honest verdict at the end, so make sure you stick around before you decide to download it. If you are serious about learning a new language faster and smarter, this review might just save you time and money. So, let's begin. Memrise is a language learning app designed to help you learn real-world vocabulary, phrases, and conversations in a fun and interactive way. Unlike traditional textbook learning, Memrise focuses on practical language skills, meaning you learn how people actually speak in real life. It uses spaced repetition, short video clips of native speakers, listening exercises, and quick quizzes to help you remember the words faster and more effectively. Getting started is super easy. All I have to do is choose the language that you wanted to learn. For example, I speak English and I want to learn, for example, Danish. You will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is simple. Provide the email address, create a strong password, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, Facebook, and Apple and follow the on-screen instructions. And then you will be given two main options. Number one is the self-study courses. If you choose this, you will learn vocabulary, watch native speaker videos, and practice speaking with AI. This option is perfect. If you want a flexible, self-paced learning experience, you can study anytime, anywhere, and move at your own speed. The second option is the exam prep. This is designed for learners preparing for mainstream exams like GCSE, A-Level, and IELTS. Right now, it mentions that it's currently available for English speakers. So if your goal is to pass a specific exam or improve your academic English, this is the option you'll want to choose. In my case, I'm going to choose the first option. After selecting your starting path, the next question is your current skill level. This helps Memrise plan your lessons properly so you don't start too easy or too advanced. So I'm going to choose the first option, which is learn from scratch. Now, the next question is your learning goals. Memrise uses this to personalize your learning content, and the great thing here is you can choose more than one option. Click the continue button. Now, based on your level and goals, Memrise has automatically selected the word lists for you. And the best part, you can customize them anytime and click the start learning. And what will happen is you will be forwarded to the welcome page of Memrise. Here, you can start a lesson or explore the app if you wanted. We are going to explore the app and show you the home section, which is going to be your main dashboard. This is where you see your current learning streak, continue your latest lesson, track your daily progress, get reminders and recommendations. It's basically your control center. Everything starts here. After that is going to be the lessons. This is where the real learning happens. Click the Let's Go button because inside of the lessons, you can learn new words and phrases, learn with locals, learn words with pronunciation practice. Click the Start button. Click the Continue button. If you already know this, it's okay, just skip this specific lesson. Click the Continue. Now you answer multiple choice questions and spelling because Memrise uses repetition and smart review techniques to help you remember words long term. And click the check answer. If your answer is not correct, you're not going to be able to progress. Once you have finished a lesson, you will be forwarded to the results. Just click on the continue button. If you want to continue to the next lesson, you can do that. And if you want to browse pro words list, you can do that as well. But for now, we're going to go back to the home page because after the lessons, we have the videos. Now, this section lets you learn from real native speakers. Here, you can watch short clips of local speaking, hear authentic pronunciation, learn how words are used in real-life situations. For example, this one, It helps you improve listening skills and makes learning feel more natural and practical. Now we're gonna go back again to the homepage because we are going to check the conversation, allowing you to practice speaking. For example, you have multiple missions that you need to finish or chats. For the missions, for example, we have is there Wi-Fi, start a conversation. This simulates real-life conversations and practice pronunciation, build confidence before speaking to real people. It's great for improving fluency and getting comfortable with everyday dialogue. Now we're gonna go to the AI buddies. This is your personal language practice partner. You have an assistant, your guide to memorize. You can ask anything here. For example, if you want to type in something like this, it will give you an answer. This is super useful to have interactive conversations, ask questions. Sometimes you can also go to the grammar so you can practice real life scenarios like this one. You can get instant feedback. It feels like chatting with a virtual tutor who's available anytime. On the top right corner, you have multiple options such as the analytics, giving you the activities that you have created for the past few days since you installed Memrise on your device. And you will see all these information so you can make informed decisions. And then right beside that is going to be the My Word section. If you want to create a word list, for example, this one right here, create a description. You can choose a cover image and then create a word list. All right, so type in to add if you want. And then you have the details to give more information. If you feel that Memrise is the perfect language app for you, then you might want to consider upgrading to the Pro plan and start learning without limits. You get to have all these perks and benefits. So if you're serious about becoming fluent faster and practicing without limits, upgrading to Pro might just be worth it. But before you do that, if you're always on the go, try the intuitiveness of the Memrise app on your device as well. If you are using an Android device, I want you to go to the Google Play Store, type in Memrise, and then click the install button. This may take a little while, and at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the loading times. Once you've done that, all you have to do now is click the open button and log in using your credentials. One of the best things about Memrise mobile app is how smooth and responsive it feels. The buttons are easy to tap, the text is clear and readable, and everything is designed for one-hand use, which is perfect if you are always commuting, waiting in line, or on a quick break at work. Lessons are broken down into bite-sized sessions, so even if you have only 5 to 10 minutes, you can complete a full lesson without feeling overwhelmed. The app automatically tracks your progress, so you can stop anytime and pick up where you left off. Another great feature is how quickly it responds. The feedback, tapping multiple choice, speaking to the microphone for pronunciation practice, or building sentences, and that real-time interaction keeps you engaged and makes learning feel more dynamic. Memrise also works with mobile notifications, so you get gentle reminders to practice, helping you stay consistent even with a busy schedule. And since everything is optimized for mobile screens, you won't feel like you're using a shrunk-down desktop or version. It's truly built for smartphones. And with that being said, basically that's it for today's video on how to use the Memrise app. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next one.